Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to squeeze every cent out of your gig driving. Gridwise claims it helps drivers earn smarter in 2025. But is it still worth it? Let's dive in. What is Gridwise? Gridwise is a gig driver assistant app that lets you track mileage, earnings, and time across platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Grubhub, and more. It also offers insights on airport demand, local events, and driver performance trends, plus downloadable tax-ready mileage reports. The pros: user-friendly interface, great for mileage and earnings tracking, helps you compare income by app, trip, or hour, and spot busy areas. The free plan offers solid basic features. Gridwise Plus unlocks automatic tracking, airport alerts, gas discounts, and no ads. The cons: auto tracking can be inconsistent. Many users report missed trips and earnings not syncing reliably. Only one vehicle is supported by round. Background location tracking and persistent notifications may drain battery. Support can be slow, and some believe the gas discount program was changed without notice. So, worth it or leave it? If you value detailed tracking, earnings insights, and tax-ready reports, Gridwise is worth it, especially on the free plan. If you rely on perfect automatic sync or multi-car support, prepare for frustration and wait if the paid plan delivers enough value. Keep an eye on changing features like gas discounts. Some drivers reported unexpected removals without clear notification. If this helped you decide, hit that like button and drop a comment. Are you paying for Gridwise Plus or sticking to the free plan? Subscribe for more unbiased gig driver app reviews. See you later.